In this video, you'll learn how to install a theme forest theme on your WordPress site. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to find, select, and activate your desired theme efficiently. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com interface. Open your preferred web browser and enter the WordPress.com URL. Once the page loads, locate the Sites option in the main menu. Click on it to access your WordPress sites. This action will direct you to a dashboard displaying all your active sites. Next, look for the Themes section within the dashboard. This can typically be found in the left-hand menu. Once you've located it, click on Themes to proceed to the Theme Management area. Here, you will see various options and settings related to themes. After that, find the search bar at the top of the themes page. Click on this search bar to activate it, allow you to enter specific terms. Type in forest theme to search for the theme you are interested in installing. As you type, suggestions may appear, but ensure you include the word forest for accurate results. Once the search results populate, look through the options displayed, identify the forest theme from the list, click on the theme to view more details about it. This page will provide you with a preview and additional information, helping you confirm that this is the theme you wish to use. After confirming your choice, click on the Activate button associated with the forest theme. This action will initiate the process of applying the theme to your WordPress site. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, but a confirmation message should appear once the activation is successful. Next, you will need to select the specific site that you want to update with the new theme. A list of your available sites will be presented. Click on the name of the site you wish to modify. This selection is crucial as it determines where the forest theme will be applied. Once you have made your selection, a message will indicate that you have successfully chosen the site. This confirmation will assure you that the forest theme is now being activated for that particular site. You can now proceed to customize your theme settings as desired. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.